ID verification. Step 1. To kickstart the ID verification process, click the verification button in the Home tab of Client Portal. Step 2. Start the ID verification process by clicking Continue on this device. Step 3. Confirm your country of residence by selecting your country of residence, then click Continue. Step 4. Fill in your personal details, including your first name, middle name, last name, nationality, and date of birth. Step 5. Then, click Continue. Step 6. Select the type of your ID document and the country where it was issued. Step 7. Upload a clear picture of your ID document, then click Continue. Step 8. You have successfully completed the ID verification process, and your submission is currently under review. Important: the process may take 3 to 10 minutes and up to 24 hours. After approval, you can trade.